Peter Sam's funnel had never been quite the same since his accident with some slate trucks. Now, as he puffed up and down the line, the winter wind tugged at it, trying to blow it away. "My funnel feels wobbly," he complained. "I wish the thin controller would hurry up with my new one. He says it will be something special." "You and your special funnel," laughed the other engines. They were all fond of Peter Sam, but he talked so much about his special funnel that it had become quite a joke. The winter weather worried Mr. Hugh. Wind broke branches from trees, while rain turned hillside streams into torrents, which threatened to wash the line away. Mr. Hugh and the men patrolled the line every day with Rusty. They removed branches and leaves so that the water could flow away. But one morning they found trouble. A fresh torrent had broken out, and Mr. Hugh had to stop all trains. "There's been a washout near the tunnel," he said. "The track bed is swept away." The men worked hard and repaired the damage in a week. While they worked, the weather changed. It became frosty and very cold. They finished just in time for market day, and Peter Sam took the morning train very carefully over the mended piece of line. Soon he approached the tunnel. It was short but curved, so his driver could not see right through it. Peter Sam was heading for trouble. Suddenly the driver shouted, "There's something hanging from the roof!" Peter Sam came out of the tunnel a different-looking engine. He no longer had his funnel. The guard found the funnel and a thick icicle. "That's what hit you, Peter Sam," he said. They set off again, but without his funnel, the journey was most uncomfortable. Then the fireman saw an old drain pipe lying beside the track. "We'll use that instead of your funnel. At least it'll help to control the smoke." They stopped and wired it on. The engines laughed and laughed when Peter Sam came home. Sir Handel made up a rhyme. "Peter Sam said again and again, his new funnel will put ours to shame. He went into the tunnel and lost his old funnel. Now his famous new funnel's a drain." They teased Peter Sam dreadfully, but his new funnel arrived quite soon. "Oh dear," he said, "someone squashed it." The thin controller laughed. "It's a Giesel, the most up-to-date funnel there is. You'll soon see." "Yes, sir," said Peter Sam doubtfully. At first, Peter Sam's special funnel was a great joke. Sir Handel and Duncan asked him why he had sat on it, and then hooted with laughter. But when Peter Sam started work, it was a very different story. His new funnel had special pipes, which made puffing much easier. "I feel stronger than ever before," he hummed. Even Sir Handel was impressed. "I can't understand it," he said. "Peter Sam simply strolls away with any train he's given. He makes work look so easy." The engines don't laugh at Peter Sam's funnel now. They wish they had one like it.